Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on network security with Palo Alto Networks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will explore how to save on network security using Palo Alto Networks. Begin by assessing your current network security environment. Identify the specific risks and vulnerabilities you face. Next, research the various Palo Alto Networks products available. Select a firewall solution that aligns with your organization's needs. Consider the features that can enhance your security posture, such as threat prevention. Evaluate the cost versus benefits of each solution. Now, explore Palo Alto Networks subscription services. Look for bundles that combine multiple features at a lower price. Utilize their cloud-based options for scalable security without upfront hardware costs. Once you've chosen the appropriate solutions, download the necessary software. Follow the installation guidelines to set up the software effectively. Next, configure your firewall settings according to best practices. Implement security policies that match your organizational requirements. Regularly update your software to protect against emerging threats. Monitor the performance of your network security system continuously. Analyze the data to identify any areas that may need adjustments. Make sure to leverage Palo Alto Networks support resources for assistance. Create a schedule for regular reviews of your network security strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively save on network security costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.